Blackberries are an edible fruit, commonly found in the UK from June until November, and they're often seen growing in forests and hedgerows. Each individual blackberry, when ripe, is made up of 20 to 50 single seeds known as drupelets that are small, juice-filled and a deep purplish black. Technically, they are an aggregate fruit rather than a berry. Health benefits. Blackberries have several interesting health benefits ranging from their nutrient values to potential benefits from the phytonutrients they contain. Full of fiber. 1 cup of blackberries has over 7.6 grams of fiber, which more than a cup of bran flakes. Their high fiber content also gives you energy and keeps you full, which is a great way to stay away from unhealthy snack foods. Fiber is also an excellent digestive aid. Digestive and cardiovascular benefits. The fiber in blackberries helps aid digestion and may help lower your cholesterol levels, which fights cardiovascular disease. 1 cup of blackberries provides almost 8 grams of fiber, which is 21 to 32% of the daily fiber recommendations for men and women, respectively. The vitamin A in blackberries also supports your digestive tract by helping maintain healthy mucous membranes, such as the tissues that line the inside of your mouth. Each cup of raw blackberries provide 300 ATU of vitamin A. This is 13% of the daily vitamin A intake for women and 10% for men. Skeletal benefits. The vitamins C and K and the trace mineral manganese in blackberries all benefit your bones. Vitamin K activates proteins needed to deposit new bone mineral tissue, a process essential to maintaining strong bones. Each serving of blackberries contains 29 micrograms of vitamin K, 24 and 32% of the recommended daily intakes for men and women, respectively. Vitamin C boosts the synthesis of collagen, a protein abundant in bone tissue. A cup of blackberries provides 30 milligrams of vitamin C, which is 40% of the recommended daily intake for women, and 33% for men. Manganese also promotes collagen production and activates enzymes essential for bone development. Each cup of berries provides roughly half the manganese requirements for women and 40% of the daily recommended intake for men. May promote fat oxidation and insulin sensitivity. Interestingly, a recent study found that eating blackberries instead of different carbohydrate sources may increase fat oxidation and heighten insulin sensitivity. This particular study was a randomized, placebo-controlled trial featuring overweight or obese men. The men were split into 2 groups and researchers controlled their meals for 7 days. Group A, fed on a calorie and carbohydrate-controlled diet featuring 600 grams of blackberries per day. Group B, consumed a calorie and carbohydrate-matched diet featuring a gelatin-based, flavonoid-free control. The trial involved a stay in a room-sized calorimeter and a glucose tolerance test took place at the beginning and end of the trial. Notably, there were significantly improved blood glucose, fat oxidation, and insulin sensitivity results in the blackberry group. Anti-cancer properties. Blackberry fruit's antioxidant properties are helpful in preventing lung cancer, colon cancer and esophageal cancer. They have micronutrients that exert chemopreventive effect and prevent the spread of cancerous cells. Scientists have attributed the anti-cancer activity to the prevalence of anthocyanins and other phytochemicals such as ellagic acid and cyanidin 3-glucoside. Boosts brain power. An animal study by the Nutritional Neuroscience Journal found that including blackberries regularly in the diet improved both motor and cognitive function, which could provide benefits in humans with more research. A study by the European Journal of Nutrition also found that consuming wild blackberries can provide a protective effect on the brain thanks to their rich polyphenol content. Blackberries contain the mineral manganese, which plays an important role in brain function, and deficiencies have been found to increase the risk of conditions such as epilepsy. Improved oral health. Eating blackberries kills illness-causing oral bacteria. An Oregon State University study states that blackberries contain gallic acid, rutin and ellagic acid, a natural phenol antioxidant found in fruits and veggies that has anti-carcinogenic and antibacterial properties. In 2012, researchers from the University of Kentucky and the University of North Carolina tested blackberries' antibacterial properties on 10 different kinds of bacteria. The studies concluded that blackberry can kill pathogens and has antivirus properties helpful to treat periodontal infections. Conclusion: blackberries contain numerous beneficial nutrients. They are also full of polyphenols, and high-quality studies suggest some potential health benefits. Lastly, another positive point about these berries is that they taste delicious, especially in a combination